definitely the star of the shows are this R34 and R35 GT-R. This one is based on Paul Walker, and this one is based on the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit. So it's pretty sick. So we're here at the ImportFest, and we're just going to go inside the Metro Convention Center. Skyline GT-R engine swap on a Nissan 300 ZX, which is really sick, you know. Never expected them to come up with such a beautiful combination. Even the intercooler and everything seems to be gold-plated, and matching interior. So overall quite a nice combination, you know, the ZX, and it is really a gem. The GT-R engine, so quite nice. I think this is one of the unique ones we have shown today. So let's see some more rides. So guys, the first R34 GT-R over here, and the build is sick. I hope they would have opened the hood, but it's quite nice. Interior is lovely, very clean mod. So let's check out the other details of this car. Guys, another R34 with the O corner number plate. Getting really exciting. All these lovely cars. I think this is the RX-7 from the previous series, and the Infiniti G35, some Civic Type cars. So it's quite fun. So guys, we're going to check out the Paul Walker's R34 GT-R and the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit R35. So let's get started. This is the R34 and this is the R35. And again, properly converted into a Need for Speed monster, and it's quite unique, you know, to see these two cars side by side. It's like a dream come true. Quite sick. So guys, please use this stall and getting a chance to ride on the R34 GT-R or on the R35. So this is one of the best stalls over here that you can find, and so I think they're going to show us more of the car. So here it is, the R34, which is based on the Need for Speed edition, and this one is going to be transformed into the Paul Walker series. So quite simple. This is one of the real R34 GT-Rs over here, and I can't explain how lovely this mind blowing.
And next up, Toronto's very own, my good friend, Harley Sal, coming to the stage as a judge. Make some noise, Harley, in the building, she's back!
So guys, overall experience is quite lovely. They have a very unique and wild collection over here. I think it's a mix of all cars, but mainly I can say it's JDM cars, which is always good. Again, you know, it's a mixture. So we can't really pinpoint one of them, but it was quite lovely. The whole day experience, I think it's not tiring. There's some nice places to sit around over here. So I hope it comes again, not yearly, but at least, you know, bi-yearly, you know, it'll be fun. So let's go explore some more cars. and get the adrenaline rush, you know.
That's right. Thank you.
We are going to exit the ImportFest show. However, this was one of the best places that we came, and just on the exit we can see the marvelous event that's happening down there. Really surprised.